You know, we all are scared. We're scared of the future because we don't know what the future holds. I don't know about you. I do not want you to stay in that scared mode. You need to ask yourself, what is scarier? Are you more scared? And I'm going to ask you this, and this is something you can reflect on and let me know in the comments. Are you more scared of being in the same position in a year's time, or are you more scared of starting something new? Hey? Sometimes we are so fixated on, oh my goodness, I need to learn how to create a product. Oh, I need to learn how to do these digital skills. I want to do this, but I'm so scared. I'm scared I'm not going to be good enough. I'm scared people aren't going to buy. Who am I? I don't have all the credentials. I don't look a certain way. I don't talk a certain way. Man, we are our worst critics, right? And we always tell ourselves these things. And then we stay stuck and we stay scared. But you know what's worse? Is the people in your life, the people you are meant to impact, your family, your friends, people that you meet, people that you are meant to impact, stay stuck too because you are not showing up. And I've lived this, and I've lived it, and I've seen hundreds and hundreds of other people do the same. The people that are successful in my community, that are making bank, that are making money, changing their lives, are the people that were scared. But because they stood up, started learning some digital skills, and started taking action, guess what happened? Their families' lives started changing. Their children's lives started changing. They started changing for the better. I want you to know that whatever you want to create in your life, because you are in this workshop because you wanted to create extra money, to create extra freedom. Whatever it is that you see up here, you can create. This is why imagination is so important. Elon Musk would never be today where he is if he didn't have imagination. The same with all the people out there that are famous and that has really reached amazing heights because there was an imagination. If you can see it, you can create it. Okay, so now that we've got you in the room mentally, knowing why you're doing this, because the thing is we can have fun and we can create. I can teach you many ways on how to make money online. I can teach you many ways. But if there's no purpose behind why you're creating what you're creating, you will always be distracted by things that are more important. But what's most important for me is to show you how everything is connected. Because a lot of people have asked me, like, okay, I know how to create my product. I know how to put it in the system. How do I sell it now? How does this work? And that's the part I want to show you that I've never shown on a workshop like this, which is key for you to be successful. Okay, what my whole entire goal for you is that when you leave here, you can start making money on how to do this. All right, making sense. Who's excited to start their product? What's the difference between System.io and TreeLink and Beacons? System.io, you can do a lot more. I don't really know Beacons and the rest of them. I've tried a lot. System.io, you can build a complete funnel in there. You can have a lot of tags. You can do email campaigns. There's a lot you can do so that you can do less but earn more. Okay, where do you sell the most products? I would say that's a very good question, Leanne. Funnels is the best way. Funnels is the best way for you to grow your email list, keep on nurturing your audience. Because here's what happens is when you have a PDF document that you are selling online, you will have to wait every time for a sale to make money. Where if people come into your email list, you can regularly nurture that email list by letting them know when you're having new stuff, when you're having free training. You can nurture them with education. You can grow your brand like that. Okay. For DMs to create posts for Instagram, is Canva the best place to get pictures? Canva is a great place to get pictures. And Pinterest. Don't forget about Pinterest, guys. Let me share Pinterest. Okay, there's not enough time. It's freaking amazing. Okay, and if you have the right systems in place, it makes it all easier because I literally post during the day and the rest of the time I'm making sales on repeat because the systems behind the scenes are doing the job. You have every single thing that you need right now to start making money. Okay? But if you do want a system where you can start making big money with high ticket products, with systems in place that you don't have to do In other words, the shortcut. If you want that, because that's the way I started, then you can start with DMS. You can reach out to the person that invited you here and ask them for the link. And here's what I'm doing. Who is very unhappy about the bonuses that they missed? Because the bonus of yesterday that I said was you're going to get access to a $1,500 training and you're going to get a step-by-step Canva course with someone that's going to answer your questions on with the Canva. Okay? So if you missed that yesterday, I had so many people ask me to extend it. So I'm going to extend it until Sunday. How's that? Hey? I'm going to extend it until Sunday. Okay, so until Sunday, if you choose the shortcut to just get to your results faster, where this that I showed you is already done for you. What I showed you in these past 3 days is stuff that's already done for you in DMS. You don't even have to figure that out. You can immediately start and you can immediately start selling. You can immediately start making between $400 and $1,000 per sale. $400 and $1,000 per sale. You don't need your own payment gateways. You don't need to connect anything yourself. Everything gets done for you. You can just start promoting. That's it, by posting a couple of times a day. Okay, so until Sunday, if you start, I will include you specifically on that $1,500 worth training that I'm going to train you on, and you will get front row seats on the Canva step-by-step course that we're going to do inside our community. And there's going to be a Canva expert on there that's going to guide you and answer your questions. I mean, what more do you need? Like, come on. Even those inside DMS can create their own additional income streams just with this Canva that we're doing inside. Okay, so that's freaking awesome. I know. So without further ado, I want to introduce you to someone. Okay, this lady has got an amazing story. And I told you yesterday, I've got a surprise guest. Okay, so I asked her because I know what she's been doing. I was in a mastermind with her. She's absolutely amazing. She's helped people with so many breakthroughs because, like I told you, a lot of people struggle in here. Okay, they struggle with sometimes there's just like a wall for you. Like you might want to start something, but you just cannot get yourself to start. Okay, or you might feel like you have too much on your plate. You're stressing so much. So I just asked her to come and give you guys a bit of tools. Okay. And then she blew me away with what she wanted to give you. Okay, so are you on here, my friend, Christina? Just search for her team, Christina, and just let her on. Let me
Yes,
just.
yes, yes. I'm here. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
there we go. I am going to give you the floor. Thank you so much, my friend, for joining. I really, really appreciate it. I'm so
Yes.
excited to have you on and for what we spoke about yesterday. So cool.
Mm-hmm.
So you can
Mm-hmm.
go.
Well, I am so excited to be here because Lizelle is one of my favorite people in the world. I can't believe that it's coming up on, oh my, it's like coming up on a year since we've been working together and co-creating and supporting each other. So thank you for inviting me on once again. And I think one of my favorite, I can really speak to your character because one of my favorite things about you is how much you absolutely love what you do. And how much you love to serve your community and how serving has actually really changed the trajectory of your life. And you've had to overcome so many things along this process. And in doing so, you've created your own amazing product, which is part of what I'm here to speak to. Her DMS, this business in a box, really has it all. And it is like there's nothing that she's not here for. If there's new tech, she comes on, she checks it out, she figures it out, and then she presents it for you. So this webinar, this workshop is like one of so many that she provides on a regular basis. And I think that's one of the things that really has her program stand out from so many of the others because she really does focus on the ease of actually allowing you to shift and change your life, but doing it with ease. So creating a product that is a done for you, it's a step by step, it is full of tutorials and how to's, but most importantly, it is full of live interaction. If you need to get in touch with Lizelle, you reach out and she reaches back. Like she's got direct one-on-one guidance, direct feedback. And I think the biggest thing with that is it allows you not to waste any more time, right? Time is money, and we've all been wasting a lot of it. So figuring out how to sort of cut through that and make your time more efficient is really like what we're all here for, right? I mean, that's why you guys showed up for this 3-day workshop. So speaking to some of the things that I help people with is that feeling of like, if you're noticing through this 3-day workshop that you're feeling resistance or you're feeling fear or you feel stuck or you notice that like, you self-sabotage, and that may look like really wanting to do something, like really wanting to make a change and change your circumstance and change your life, and still not being able to actually take action, or you start something and you can't finish it and you just can't get that momentum. Well, you're not alone. This is like the number one complaint or issue that entrepreneurs have. Like this is the biggest sticking point, not to reiterate the same word, but like it's that stuck feeling of not being able to get out of your own way. But the good news is that it's not your fault. Like this is part of a programming system that you have the ability to reprogram, and you're in luck because I am also hosting a 3-day workshop later on this month that addresses all of the issues related to this, like overwhelm and, motivation, why you have it, why you don't, figuring out like what manifestation really is, your anxiety, the fears that come along with trying something new and that end up halting you right when you feel like you've made a little bit of progress. And then there's a lot of talk around safety and self-sabotage and how those two seem to like really, really go hand in hand. So, you can immediately start from the workshop walking your life in the direction of your dream life, which is what the goal is, and stop simply fantasizing about it, which so many of us are like living in our heads, fantasizing, imagining, wanting, dreaming, and then not actually being in it, being in our body and actually producing anything. Like we see these, like I love the visualization. Lizelle is so on point. Visualization is so important, but you need to be able to bring that visualization down into your body so you can actually start supporting yourself and taking these steps towards the direction that you want your life to go in. So that is what my workshop focuses on. It's all about understanding really what's inside of you so that you can unstick yourself and actually get off of the hamster wheel that so many of us find ourselves on. We can just like let go of 2025, step into 2026, get rid of this, shed all the things that we don't want to bring with us and step into this new version of our lives that I know all of us are here for, where you can really feel peace and calm and abundance. So that is what it's all about. So if you're really, really ready to change your life, first sign up for the DMS because that is all of the mechanics, all of the how-to. There is nothing that Lizelle does not cover. Nothing. I have yet to find anything that she doesn't cover. She's always ahead of the curve. And if you're still really feeling stuck and you can't seem to get out of your own way, join my workshop, sign up today. I will go ahead and drop the link in the chat. And my free gift to you for making it all the way to the end of this 3-day workshop is a free upgrade to my VIP package, which is loaded with amazing things that I'm so excited to offer you. And then we have another little surprise that Mel, I believe, is also on the call, and I would love for her to pop on. She is a client of both mine and Lizelle's, and I'd love for her to just speak really, really quickly because I know I just want to be respectful of everybody's time, just to speak to her own experience of working with both of us. So if Mel, if you are here, while she hops on, I will drop my link in the chat. Mel,
Thanks
are you
so much.
here?
Mel, are you there?
I am. I am.
Oh, yay.
I just want to say thank you to Lizelle for the amazing DMS program. Guys, everything that you need, you will get in one place. The second thing, obviously, is that she brings on the most amazing speakers. Christina was on a call. We were on a call in October. Literally, I felt like I wanted to jump off a mountain. I felt like I was stuck. There was no hope. She just mentioned one thing in this call that shifted something for me. And I've been working with her for the last 12 weeks. And I have to tell you guys, I have tools in my toolbox that I can use in an instant. It really is about getting unstuck, being able to shift, and it becomes a lifetime practice that you're going to get. So if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like, I don't know if I can do this, besides Lizelle's amazing mindset training, the coaches that she brings on, the coaching that we have, the guest speakers like Christina, just jump on that. This 3-day that Christina's going to offer, just like you guys have come to the Canva course and you have learned so much and there's so much more to do, jump onto Christina's 3-day. I promise you, just doing that is going to change your life. She is incredible. I can say I shifted. I moved locations. She could see the shift. We went back through the notes from how I was and who I was before I started speaking to her, to where I am now. And guys, you're going to experience this for 3 days. So just jump on and do it. And honestly, stop trying to figure it all out on your own. You've got amazing coaches like Christina. You've got Lizelle. You've got the whole community there. There's nothing more that you need. So thank you, guys. If you haven't looked at this, go for it. You will not be
I
sorry.
love it. Thank you so
I
much,
love it.
Mel.
Thanks, Mel.
Chris,
Yeah. So I just want to wrap up, Lizelle, before I pass it over to you. So for anybody who has made it this far and you're still on the fence, like, just know that there's literally no better time than now to start. And if you've made it this far, trust your body, trust that it's trying to send you a flag, take the leap, go ahead and get signed up. You know, you really don't have anything to lose. And just know that once you're in Lizelle's program, like, just trust the process. I mean, I know that everybody hears that all the time, but trust the process. Like Mel said, it's already been done for you. It's already been laid out. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to figure out all the things that you don't know. They will be laid out in front of you. And sign up for my workshop and have some other breakthroughs, and we can all support each other and really, really call in like the most amazing 2026. So let's do
I
it.
love that. I love that. Thank you so much, Christina. Man, I don't have to sell anything. You do it for me, eh? I love that. Thank you. But this is what I love about being purpose-driven, guys. It's never about the selling, it's about the serving. I mean, when I started in digital marketing, it wasn't up to the person that I purchased a Done For You program from to change my life. You guys agree with that, right? It's not up to the person you purchased from, it's up to you. It's up to you to change your life. You can take just the skills in this 3-day workshop and go make a killing out there. Start making money, then upgrade with a system, you can do it, right? It's just faster with the support. Thank you, guys. I'm so excited. I see for those who booked VIP, I'm going to see you in the next room. And Christina, thank you so much. I know how amazing your workshops are. And I know the VIP that you gave them. So thank you so much. Generosity, guys, is going to get you far in life. I love you, Christina. Love you guys. Have an awesome, awesome day or evening further. And I'll see you soon.